Guys, how are you? Today we talk portfolio. So it is the end of vacation time, and this is the right time for you to go and look for a job. I mean, for those, of course, that already had their bachelor in June or in July. So you already have your portfolio, and now you are approaching the moment, the magic time, and also scary time to go and look for a job. I am sure you already have your addresses, your email addresses, the people you have to contact to show your presentation. I am also sure that you already have your presentations in multiple type of formats, like the most common it's a PDF, and that's very common because it's very useful and very easy to use. Take me for example, when I receive a PDF format portfolio via email, it's very simple. I click and very quickly I can check who is sending to me, what type of CV this person has, and of course the projects, the skills, the creativity level and everything, and just make a judgment about the level of that portfolio. So you have to be ready, if you didn't do this yet, to organize yourself so that people like me in the industry, in car design studios, in big studios, medium studios or small studios, will receive your candidature via email. Also you can think in a different way, like you just can send a little teaser and then hoping that that will be good enough to get an interview. An interview it's given when your portfolio that we already saw via email has been really convincing. This means that 50% of the job is done already. Your book went through. Now, the only thing that we're really missing to understand whether we can talk about the possibility of giving you a job, it's if the other 50% is fitting in our philosophy. What is this other 50%? It's the human factor, which means you, yourself, the way you are, the way you have been educated, the way you talk to people, the way you are serious, the way you are responsible. So all those type of more, I would say, psychological and behavioral things that are very important when we have to take somebody within designers. Don't forget, once we hire you, we cannot from one day to another decide that we don't like you anymore. So we have to be very careful in our interest and in your interest. Now, the last thing I have to ask you, did you check how is the rhythm, the emotional rhythm of your portfolio before you are sending us? Because I don't want to see those portfolios that start strong and then come down. I don't want to see those portfolios that look weak after the first project. So you have to be very careful in order to have a good control over the emotional reaction that people like me might have looking at your portfolio. And you want to make sure that that emotional reaction, it's always kind of going high and never coming down. Don't take me down, So this is very important. Now that we said all this, the last suggestions that I give you, because I still see this mistake, please put your freehand sketches, your freehand color sketches done with marker, whatever you want to use, okay? But put those sketches, those ideation sketches, or those nice perspective sketches that you use, to look for your design concept for your project, put them at the beginning of each project. Why? Because we really need to understand your skills, your freehand skills before you touch digital techniques, and we really want to understand how you think, okay? And the level you have in being very comfortable in taking a pen or a pencil and just make a real nice quick sketch, okay? So that's very important, because a lot of portfolios don't have enough sketches, and therefore we have a doubt. Is this guy really good or not? Is this girl really good or not? And therefore, if we have a doubt, we won't call you, because there are so many other people sending us portfolios, okay? So be good, be wise, work hard, and start sending your portfolio. Thank you.